Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TimeSolv billing software step by step clearly. To install TimeSolv billing software, begin by visiting the official TimeSolv website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the home page and click it. You'll be directed to a registration page. Fill out the required information to create your account, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the registration form, submit it. Check your email for a confirmation message from TimeSolv. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your account is confirmed, return to the TimeSolv website and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Download section of your account dashboard. Choose the appropriate version of the software for your operating system, whether Windows or Mac. Click the download link to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then proceed to the next step. Select the destination folder for the software installation or use the default location. Click Install to begin the installation. After the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installation wizard. Launch TimeSolv billing software from your desktop or Applications folder. Log in using the same credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features and settings available. You have now successfully installed TimeSolv billing software and can begin using it for your billing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.